Oh hey! So I created this colorful eye look when I had my colorful halo braid going. Fun vibes. Let me show you how I did it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell on this channel. Using the BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette, I'm starting off with that blue color, then with that hot pink, and I'm following it with Suva Beauty's Hydra liner in the color Dance Party. Now going in with that dense flat brush to pack on the color, I speed it up so you can see how pigmented it comes out after reapplying, but I'm just going to keep applying that color until it is as pigmented as I like it to be. Oh yes. Next, I am grabbing that hot pink color and I'm doing the exact same thing, just applying it all over my lid. I'm not worried about blending right now, just packing on that color so it can be as pigmented as possible. And just like that, the eye is done. Now I'm grabbing that same pink brush, and as you can see, I am just blending it out a little bit just so that it can blend into the blue, just like that. And then I'm going back in with that same blue shade and I'm just reapplying so I can deepen up that color a little bit. And of course, what I do to one eye, I will do to the next. So that's pretty much it. It's really simple. So now I'm grabbing that blue and I'm just working it in the outer corner just to extend that color, just like you can see right there. And I'm going in with that pink color to extend that color too. And as I'm doing that, you can see that it's creating a nice purple color, which I actually fell in love with. So I'm actually going to be doing the exact same thing to the other side. Grabbing a blending sponge to just clean up that outer corner, and then grabbing that pink shade again just to blend the colors in the inner corner out. I'm going to move on and now grab my 610 Suva Beauty brush, and I'm going to be applying that yellow, nice, vibrant eyeliner to my lid. Now, how are you with applying eyeliner? Would you call yourself a pro? Are you still perfecting it? I am still perfecting it, but I really like how it came out. It's not as perfect, but it's a work in progress. Make sure that you check out the review on this liner and several others that I have tried from Suva Beauty, and I have linked that video down in the description. Now, as far as colorful eyeliners go, this is the one brand that I have tried, that I have liked. I have tried a glitter eyeliner from NYX. It was okay, it wasn't the best, but if you definitely have any colorful eyeliners that you think are so pigmented, that stay on, that you love, and is your favorite, make sure that you leave me a comment and let me know so that I can check them out. As far as my lower lash line goes, I'm just using the same colors. So I'm going in with that blue and applying that to the outer corner of my lower lash line just to be able to tie in those colors back in. And now I'm going in with Itsmyrayeraye Palette, and I'm using the shade Golden Girl, which is this nice glittery canary yellow, and I'm applying that to the inner corner of my eyes. And to finish off this look, I am going in with that pink eyeshadow and I'm applying that to the inner corner of my lower lash line just to piece it all together. Now, pairing this eye look with my colorful hair is a lot of color, but this video is just to share with you this eye look that I came up with. I hope that you can recreate it or get inspired to create a look of your own. Peace and love, positive vibes. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope you have a fantastic day. See you later.